Get ready with me for another day na pod ang maestrang nag-nursing sa US. Why not? Bitaw, I'm so thankful to all the nag-comment, nag-like, nag-heart, nag-share sa akong video. Og you guys are the best. Gusto sad nilang mag-Tagalog pug kuno para daghan pod ang makasabot. I will try to share in English, Tagalog, Bisaya. Nindot man sa pud Bisaya pod oy. Usahay mingawan jud ko mag-Bisaya, lami kayo litok jug Bisaya. Marami ding mga Tagalog kaya maganda din na magtagalog tayo para mas maraming maka-relate. Char! Actually, I just want to make a short video because naka-receive ko, may lisod ang mag-shift from one language to another language. Naka-receive ako ng certificate from the pediatric hospital. Usually, they have a CNA of the month. Before this happened, meron ako mga kasamang nurses na last Monday na bigla na lang silang nagsabi sa akin na, oh my gosh, you're doing good in your work. I appreciate you. And na sila na magaling daw ako, ganyan. So, sabi ko naman, okay, I appreciate. Nagtatrabaho lang naman po ako. Char! May Thursday, pumasok na ako. Bigla na lang may CNA na nagsabi, "Uy, congratulations! For what?" And she said that, "Oh, you're the CNA of the month." I didn't expect that. I was surprised. You know, I'm just doing my job. Like I just make sure that the kids or the patients are safe and they're being taken care of. Kasi yun naman talaga yung trabaho namin as a CNA, di ba? You have to make them comfortable, especially na, syempre, mga small kids. I'm really happy na they appreciate it. So, meron silang ito, certificate. Nagbigay sila ng certificate and it says, in honor of your outstanding performance. Wow, outstanding performance. Sure. And dedication, we hereby present Roxanne Sibari with the certificate of recognition for your high standards of excellence. High standards of excellence. Char. So, kana siya magka-happy nga, you know, you are appreciated sa imuhang gibuhat. Especially yung new job din ako as a CNA. So, I'm so happy and grateful. Aside from that, naapod sila gift card. So, ita na pila ni ang sulod sa ilang gift card. So, aside sa certificate ha, nasa gift card. Kani siya, uy, $50. So, na ako'y $50. May na lang na ipang grocery town, yamot. Okay. So, ito siya, just to give you an update. I'm just so happy to share na awarded ko as a CNA of the month. Char niya. Magpasa daw ko og picture kay para ma-post ko dito sa board. Laisyo. Bitaw oy. So, medyo ko ga-expect nga ma-appreciate ang ako ang trabaho. You don't know, you feel rewarded and appreciated by other people na makikita na nila yung hard work mo. Update you more. Salamat.